The study of physiology has a rich and fascinating history that stretches back thousands of years. From the ancient Greeks to the modern day researchers, our understanding of the human body and its functions has grown exponentially. Before starting with the history, we first need to know what is physiology. Physiology is the study of biological function of how the body works, from the molecular mechanisms within the cells to the action of the tissues, organs, and systems, and how the organisms as a whole accomplish particular tasks essential for life. All of this with emphasis on specific cause and effect mechanisms. Now, the history started with the Greek philosopher Aristotle, credited with speculating of the function of the human body. However, it was another ancient Greek, Aristotle, who is considered to be the first to study physiology by applying physical laws to understanding the human function. It wasn't until the revolutionary work of the English physician William Harvey that physiology became a full experimental science. In the 17th century, Harvey demonstrated that the heart pumps blood through a closed system of vessels. But it was the French physiologist Claude Bernard who is considered the originator of the modern physiology. In his book entitled The Wisdom of the Body, published in 1932, Bernard observed that the internal environment of the body remains remarkably constant despite changing conditions in the external environment. He coined the term milieu interior or internal environment to describe this concept. It was the American physiologist Walter Cannon who extended Bernard's concept by proposing the term homeostasis to describe this internal constancy. Cannon suggested that the many mechanisms physiological regulation have one purpose, that is, maintain the internal constancy. James Harding furthered Cannon's concept by proposing that homeostatic mechanisms maintain each physiological variable within a normal range, comparing its value to a desired or set point value. In the 20th century, much of our present knowledge of human physiology was gained. However, new knowledge in 21st century is being added at an even more rapid pace, fueled by the growth of the molecular genetics and associated biotechnologies, as well as the availability of more powerful computers and other equipment. One way to track the course of physiological research over the time is through the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, which was first awarded in 1901. While many scientists may deserve the Nobel Prize, not all of them receive it, and it is often awarded many years after the discoveries were made. Despite these challenges, the awarding of Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine remains a celebrated event in the biomedical community, and it highlights the amazing progress that has been made in our understanding of the human body and its functions. If you like this video, subscribe so you can be notified about the interesting topics we discuss in these videos. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I will look forward to see you soon.